So welcome, this is the second video to find the equation of a line with a gradient and passing through a point x1, y1. So how should I be finding it out? The formula is going to be nothing but what? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So for part A, y minus 5 equals to 2 times x minus 2. So y minus 5 equals to 2x minus 4. So y equals to 2x minus 4 plus 5. Y equals to 2x plus 1. Part B. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus of minus 2 plus 2. So y minus 1 equals to 3x plus 6. Y equals to 3x plus 7. Then part C. 3 comma minus 6 and minus 1. Y minus of minus 6 is plus 6 equals to negative 1 times x minus 3. Y plus 6 equals to negative x plus 3. So y equals to negative x negative 3. Then part D, again the point is minus 2 minus 3 and the gradient is negative 4. Y minus minus 3 equals to negative 4, x minus minus 2. So y plus 3 equals to negative 4x negative 8. So y equals to negative 4x negative 11. Then coming to part E, the point is minus 4 comma 10 and half. Y minus 10 equals to half times x minus minus 4 plus 4. What am I going to do? I am going to multiply by 2 on both sides. So it becomes 2y minus 20 equals to x plus 4. So x minus 2y minus 20 also bring that side, it becomes, or else what you can do, keep the 2y to the other side and x plus 4 plus 20. So 2y equals to x plus 24. Divide by 2 on both sides. Y equals to 1 upon 2x plus 12. That's going to be the answer. Then coming to part E was done. Part F, minus 2 upon 3 minus 6 minus 1. Minus gradient is minus 2 upon 3 and the point is going to be minus 6 minus 1. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y plus 1 equals to negative 2 upon 3 times x plus 6. So y equals to negative 2 upon 3x, then multiply it out, minus 12 upon 3 plus 1, you take it to the other side, it becomes minus 1. So y equals to negative 2 upon 3x, and this becomes 3 times 1, 3 times 4. It's going to become negative 4, negative 1 is negative 5. Then G, 2 and a comma 2a. Gradient is 2, the point is a comma 2a. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 2a equals to 2x minus 2a. Then 2a 2a gets cancelled. So what is going to be the equation of the line? Y equals to 2x. Coming to part H. Negative 1 upon 2, negative 2b, 3b. Gradient is negative 1 upon 2 and point is negative 2b and 3b. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus of minus 2b becomes plus 2b. So y minus 3b equals to negative 1 upon 2x. Negative 1 upon 2 times 2b is negative b. Then move negative 3b to the other side. Y equals to negative 1 upon 2x, negative b plus 3b. So what does that becomes now? Y equals to negative 1 upon 2x plus 2b. That's going to be the answer. Coming to question number 2. The line y equals to 4x minus 8 meets the x-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. So plug in 0, 0 equals to 4x minus 8, 4x equals to 8, x equals to 2. So the point is 2, 0. Now the gradient is 3, m equals to 3. So what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y equals to 3x minus 6. Then next one, the line meets y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to negative 2 times 0 plus 8. So y equals to 8. So the point B is 0, 8. Now the gradient is 2. Then the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus 8 equals to 2x. Y equals to 2x plus 8. Question number 4. The line meets x-axis at point C. X-axis means y equals to 0. So 0 equals to half x plus 6. So half x equals to negative 6. X equals to negative 12. Negative 12, 0. This is point C. Then the gradient is 2 upon 3. Now the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Minus of minus 12 plus 12. Now what am I going to do? Multiply this 3 to the other side. So it becomes 3y equals to 2x plus 24. So 2x minus 3y plus 24 equals to 0. Question number 5. Meets y-axis. Y-axis means x equals to 0. Y equals to 1 upon 4 times 0 plus 2. Y equals to 2. 0, 2 is a point B. Point C, what is point C? Negative 5, 3. Find the gradient. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So the gradient formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 3 minus 2 upon negative 5, negative 0. 1 upon negative 5. That's going to be the gradient. Now the line intersects the point at A. Y equals to x and y equal to 2x minus 5 intersects at point A. So y equals to x and y equals to 2x minus 5. So both 2x minus 5 should be equals to x. 2x minus x equals to 5. So x equals to 5. If x equals to 5, y is also equals to 5. The point is 5, 5. And the gradient. What is the gradient? Gradient is 2 upon 5. Gradient is 2 upon 5. Now the equation will be y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Then y equals to 2 upon 5x. This is minus 10 upon 5. Minus 5 goes on to the other side plus 5. So y equals to 2 upon 5x minus 2 plus 5. Y equals to 2 upon 5x plus 3. Question number 7. Y equal to 4x minus 10, y equal to x minus 1 intersects at a point T. So 4x minus 10 equals to x minus 1. 4x minus x equals to 10 minus 1. 3x equals to 9. X equals to 3. So we can plug in this x equals to 3 in any one of the equation. This equation is easier. Y equals to x minus 1. So y equals to 3 minus 1. Y equals to 2. So what is the point? 3, 2. And the gradient? What is the gradient? Negative 2 upon 3 is the gradient. Now what will be the equation? Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Now multiply by 3 on both sides. 3y minus 6 equals to minus 2 times x is minus 2x, minus 2 times minus 3 is plus 6. Then bring my negative 2x this side, plus 6 to the other side. So 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 12 equals to 0. Question number 8. A line P has a gradient 2 upon 3 and passes through the point 6, negative 12. This is line P. Now, what am I going to do? I am going to find the equation of the line P. Equation of P. Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y plus 12 equals to 2 upon 3x. 2 upon 3 times 6 is 12 upon 3 plus 12 becomes minus 12. That I can do in the later step. So y plus 12 equals to 2 upon 3x minus 4 plus 12 becomes minus 12. So y equals to 2 upon 3x minus 16. That is the equation of P. Next it says line Q has a gradient negative 1 and passes through 5, 5. So negative 1 is the gradient and passes through the point 5, 5. So what is the equation of Q? Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Y minus 5 equals to minus x plus 5. Y equals to minus x plus 10. That is the equation of the line Q. Next part, P meets the y-axis at A. Y-axis at A. So we have two equations. First equation of P, which is y equals to 2 upon 3x minus 16. Equation of Q, y equals to negative x plus 10. Then P meets y-axis at A. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to 2 upon 3 times 0 minus 16. Y equals to negative 16. So the point A is 0, negative 16. Q meets x-axis at B. Q meets x-axis at B. X-axis means y equals to 0. 0 equals to negative x plus 10. X equals to 10. So what is B value? 10, 0. What is he asking? Find out the gradient of AB. So this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So the gradient is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 0 minus 16 upon 10 minus 0. So which is 16 upon 10, which is 8 upon 5. Question number 9. The line y equals to minus 2x plus 6 meets x-axis. X-axis at P. X-axis means y equals to 0. 0 equals to negative 2x plus 6. 2x equals to 6. X equals to 3. So the point P is 3, 0. Then the line y equals to 3 upon 2x minus 4 meets y-axis. Y-axis at Q. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to 3 upon 2 times 0 minus 4. So y equals to negative 4. So what is the value of Q? 0, negative 4. Find the equation of a line joining PQ. So we need to know the gradient of PQ. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is 4 upon 3. Now you can take either M or either P or either Q. So I'll take P and the gradient. So y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to 4 upon 3x minus 12 upon 3 is 4. Lastly, question number 10. The line y equals to 3x minus 5 meets x-axis at M. Y equals to 3x minus 5. X-axis. X-axis means y equals to 0. 0 equals to 3x minus 5. X equals to 5 upon 3. So the point M is 5 upon 3, comma 0. The line y equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus 2 upon 3 meets y-axis. Y-axis at n. Y-axis means x equals to 0. So y equals to minus 2 upon 3 times 0 plus 2 upon 3. So y equals to 2 upon 3. 0 comma 2 upon 3. This is n. Then find the equation of a line joining m and n. So I need to find the gradient of mn. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So which is 2 upon 3 divided by minus 5 upon 3. 3 cancels. So the gradient is going to be minus 2 upon 5. Now you can take any one point, the first point or the second point. So I'm going to take m. So what does that becomes? Y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So y equals to negative 2 upon 5x. Then I multiply these two plus 10 upon 15. When I simplify, you will be getting it out, the answer as plus 2 upon 3. But he says the answer should be in the standard form. Multiply by 15 on both sides. So 15y equals to 5 times 1, 5 times 3. So 3 times 2 is negative 6x. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So bring 6x to the other side and negative 10 equals to 0. That's going to be the answer. That completes this video for equation of a line finding using the gradient and a point, and the formula is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. See you in the next video. Bye.